Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart will look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about general levels and then walking you through, just some overall questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart, no matter when you are watching this. Now, if you did watch the video from Tuesday, then not a whole lot to update. In fact, update's probably not the right word. The right word would be more so confirmation. And the main point of confirmation coming in the fact of this purple line here, which I talked about on Tuesday, the 50 period simple moving average. And you can see that, over the past 24 hours, once again, that level has indeed acted as resistance. So that purple line certainly being a very stubborn area as far as the chart is concerned. And that's going to be the initial question to ask yourself. So let's say you are watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one becomes nothing fancy, but just simply, where's the price at relative to that purple line, or what's assign a numerical value to it, 36.50. If the price is up above 36.50, well, then that would imply that, okay, maybe the bulls are finally starting to get a breakout, and that would be telling you that at the current moment when you're watching this video, the bulls are having themselves a nice little move. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below that level, then the next immediate question goes to the level down here at 35.65, which again I've talked about time and time again via the green line, and that is okay. Well, where's the price stand relative to that level? Now, if you're answering the question that the price is still up above there, well, then essentially nothing has really happened other than you could summarize the current price action as consolidation, as all of those dynamics would just imply that the price is essentially just still kind of bouncing sideways between these two areas. So not bullish, not necessarily bearish or anything, just simply sideways price action. Now, if you're answering the question is down below it, this is where a little common sense comes into play, meaning if you're watching it and the price is right there, okay, don't get me wrong, that's not good. I mean, the price is down below it, but if you're watching this 15 hours from now and the price is all the way down there, well, then that would be telling you that at the moment you're watching this, not only have the bears taken back over, but they're getting that much more strength and momentum behind them. So like I said, got to use a little gut instincts and common sense there as far as some of these levels are concerned, but definitely these are the two key primary levels going forward, where if you ask yourself, where's the price first off relative to the 50 period moving average, that purple line, and then second, where's the price relative to 35.65, that green line, that'll give you a great idea of the current status of the chart, no matter when you actually watch this video. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.